Good morning, everybody. This is the Jaxxon show. I watched 3 days ago a show, Markus Lanz, on German television, Deutsche Welle, and there it was explained that we can actually, as people, society, help not to have a bigger outbreak of a COVID-19, of a coronavirus. There, one of the party members of the leading German party said, well, the government has to make a big brother watching soon. So that was directly denied by the head of the German police force, who said, no. We do not have to do it as a state. We can do it by individuals because we have applications nowadays that can let us track down where we have been the last 2 weeks, and then we can have enough responsibility to display that and to say where we have been. Now here in Thailand, I don't know how it is in other countries, we have Google Maps, which is very helpful. I will explain you now. First, we click the application of Google Maps. In the application, you click on your account and a menu pops up. There you click on your timeline. In your timeline you get first today, and as you see from mine, I have not been anywhere yet. If you click on today, then you will see a calendar popping up where you can choose your day which you want to take under closer observation. On this day you will see the way that you have driven, how many miles you have traveled, how many minutes spent, and then you will see additionally also how many places you have been to. Finally, you see a detailed description written out, what you have done. So first I was at home, then I have been driving, I have been to Macro for shopping, where I have spent 18 minutes, and so you get a complete description of the day. I hope this video was helpful, and keep safe and stay healthy. I hope we are not spreading the coronavirus more than we could actually control it. Thank you.